Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the Outland Living Firebowl UV and weather-resistant 740 propane gas tank cover. A stylish and functional addition to your outdoor space that transforms an unsightly 20 pounds propane tank into a sleek tabletop feature. This innovative cover not only enhances the look of your yard, deck, patio, pool, or garden but also protects your propane tank from the elements, keeping it clean and safe. Designed with convenience in mind, the perimeter zippered top allows quick access to the valve, while elasticized stretch bands ensure an effortless fit, and a side flap provides a simple pass-through for the hose. Its distinctive attributes include a drawcord at the bottom for a secure tabletop fit, 6 ventilation grommets for ample airflow, and a handy storage pocket for accessories like a wand lighter. Crafted from durable UV and weather-resistant fabric, this cover adds an insulating layer to help prevent tank freeze, making it perfect for any outdoor setting. Whether you're using it with an Outland Firebowl propane fire pit, outdoor grill, camp stove, or heater, this cover is designed to fit snugly with its 12.25-inch diameter and 18.5-inch height. Elevate your outdoor experience with this versatile and protective propane tank cover, ensuring both style and functionality for all your outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.